Use white lightning first to clean your projects prior to painting. White lightning will degrease and remove any and all debris from your furniture. After cleaning with white lightning, I rinse my project very well. Before I apply my Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint, I scuff sand the surface with the sanding pad. This makes sure to scuff up the surface and give your paint something to adhere to. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint has a built-in primer and top coat. You will need 2 full even coats with the dry brush upon application. This is the Boho Sole Transfer from the Bells and Whistles line. Gently unroll your transfer. Decide where you would like to place it before removing the protective backing paper. Once you're ready to apply the transfer, gently pull back the clear release sheet to separate the transfer from its protective paper. You can tape your transfer down if it helps to prevent it from moving while you apply it. Working from the outside edge inward, apply pressure to release the transfer. You can gently lift the clear release sheet to check that it has adhered correctly. Since I will only be using partial pieces of this transfer, I decided to cut them up before application. I cut out the shapes and desired images that I wanted for the piece, laid them down, and burnished them with the enclosed tool. Transfers can be layered, distressed, and sealed. Give your furniture projects a unique custom look with Silkscreen stencils. They're very user-friendly and they are washable and reusable up to 10 times. The adhesive backing includes a squeegee to allow for easy placement and crisp designs. You can use them with your favorite Dixie Belle paint color to create a bold and detailed design. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint does not require a sealer, but I did want to seal my transfers. I used clear coat and satin along with my blue sponge to seal the transfers down and make sure that they were burnished onto the piece. This protects them and protects the piece of furniture. Illuminate your pieces with an iridescent glow. Chameleon Wax is a sheer and stunning wax used to bring out the natural highlight of your project. Chameleon Wax comes in 3 colors: cactus, lilac, and apricot. This dazzling oil-based product is set to make any piece glow. You can apply with your finger or a small brush. Since Chameleon Wax is oil-based, there's no need to seal over top.